हम लोग जब बोलते हैं तो हमारा सबसे पहला न्यूट्रिशन क्या आता है? आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर मैं बोलूँ कि न्यूट्रिशन, इफ आई से न्यूट्रिशन, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थॉट यू गेट?
Foods and food which we are having in day-to-day life.
Exactly. So, food, and today I will tell you what nutrition is according to Ayurveda. Okay. Are
Okay.
you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, it's
Okay,
visible.
great, great. So we are going to discuss hormones and nutrition now. The entire talk today is going to be just what simple things that everyone can do. ठीक है, अब किसी को नहीं पता है कि प्रोटीन कितना है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट कितना है और फैट कितना है मेरी बॉडी में, सो दैट विल आल्सो बी ओके. जिसको इतना भी मतलब नॉट इतना भी बट जिसको इतना अभी नहीं पता है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स कौन से हैं और सिंपल कार्ब्स कौन से हैं, which is complex carb is more of bread and everything, and simple carbs is just table sugar. So ये मेरे लिए we know कि हाँ table sugar अच्छा है या नहीं है, but इतना कि कितना खाना चाहिए, किस हिसाब से खाना चाहिए, ये सब all comes under Ayurveda. But according to Ayurveda, nutrition is much more than just the food that you have, and it is so exciting. I'm sure that you will be so excited to learn what's coming next. Okay. Okay, so I am just going to take you through this. Now, first, what are hormones and why is it really important to know about them? तो hormones होते ही क्या है? Because सबसे जो चीज़ आपने देखा होगा कि जो सबसे चीज़ बदनाम है हमारे body में, okay? So let's say if I get a pimple today, right? If I get a pimple, then people will say hormone imbalance. Or if I have a lot of hair on my face, people will say hormone imbalance. Now, hormone imbalance है क्या? Hormones होते ही क्या है and वो आते कहाँ से हैं? उनको regulate कहाँ से करना है? ये समझना पहले बहुत important है हमारे लिए. Now, hormones are like tiny messengers. Okay, messengers in your body. Like एक chemical है, chemical gland से, let's say thyroid gland हम example ले लेते हैं. ओके, थायराइड ग्लैंड से रिलीज होता है एंड वो डिफरेंट टिश्यूज एंड ऑर्गन्स को जाके बताता है कि क्या करना है. सो इट गोज टू डिफरेंट टिश्यूज एंड ऑर्गन्स एंड इट सेज, इट गाइड्स देम व्हाट टू डू, and that is our literally the job of a hormone. It travels through the bloodstream. Now when we say bloodstream, that also means that you need to keep your blood also clean. There shouldn't be any clots and everything, which will come later, which is a different chapter altogether. But hormones का आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि hormones glands से release होते हैं, एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के अंदर ग्लैंड्स आते हैं, और ये चीजें समझना हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. I know a person. Actually, I'll tell you one of the stories. I was speaking to someone, and this person did not know kidneys, where the kidneys are.
Oh.
And which is natural for a lot of people. They might not know where the kidneys are because they think that it is the doctor's job, or I did not have biology in school. But you have to understand your body. See, your soul is living in this body, right? So you have to understand your body. So you need to understand that hormones aate kahan se hai. That comes from glands. There are different glands, 10 to be exact. So there are different glands जो different hormones produce करते हैं, और इनका अपना अपना job है. It's a well oiled machine जब तक कि हम ना खराब कर दें. सो ये जो एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के अंदर पीनियल ग्लैंड, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड ग्लैंड, ये सब आते हैं. बट लाइक आई सेड, इट इज अ सिंपल गाइड फॉर एनीवन टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो अभी के लिए आप ये समझिए. सो for now, all you need to know is hormones. They travel through your bloodstream, released from the glands. They go to different organs and tell them what to do. That's what you need to know. Is that perfect? Are we aligned?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great. Okay, here. Now, how do they impact the body? They're so important. Like I said, कि सबसे बदनाम hormones होते हैं, right? So they are so important in our body that they help in growth and development. So the growth hormone is released by the pituitary gland in our brain. So growth and development इससे होती है, hormone से, and which is magical, which is amazing, because you can change, not change it, but then improve it. Okay, you can improve the health, regulation of metabolism. अब कई लोगों को हैव यू एवर सीन दैट कई लोग कुछ खाते हैं और उनको सीधा पच जाता है, बिल्कुल लाइक एकदम से पच जाता है, एंड फॉर सम उनका नहीं पचता. लेट्स से मेरा ही
I'm the right example. खाते हैं पछता नहीं.
yeah, everyone I think 20 years ago, if we had something, let's say a chola bhatura also, it would be good. You would still be okay and not sleepy. But now, chole bhature and with some drink, heavy drink, let's say a lassi or something, would put us to sleep, right to sleep, because it's just so heavy for our stomach to digest. नाउ इसलिए होता है क्योंकि मेटाबॉलिज्म जो आपका जिसे हम वैसे मेटाबॉलिज्म सो मेटाबॉलिज्म अगर आपका सही नहीं है, इन द सेंस कि आपका सही से काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो आपको दिक्कत होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये एज के साथ भी बढ़ता जाता है, कि एज के साथ बिकॉज हमारी जो मूवमेंट है वो कम हो जाती है, हम ग्लैंड्स पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देते, राइट? वी डोंट फोकस ऑन द ग्लैंड्स सो मच. We're never taught that. That's the thing. You know, in biology too, we were always taught about the skeleton and everything and this and that when we clear the exam. But then in school education also, we were not told how to take care of our bodies. Like we are not told about financial education. We are told plus minus, but there's no financial education. Likewise, there is no healthy education around how to take care of your body. So which is okay, which is all right. I mean, there's always like we can take care of ourselves and we can renew the knowledge that we have, right? It also affects your mood and emotions, but I should tell you, mood and emotions बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजों पे भी depend करता है. Like किसी की अगर values ही ऐसी हो, if someone has some kind of values, let's say if I get angry pretty soon, so that is my value. That is always not hormones, but a large portion of moods and emotion come from hormones. Some people even go into depression because the hormones are not balanced. And for that, we of course we have combat, we need to combat. We have some seeds in Ayurveda that you can have and everything. That's all right. But I'm saying that some people can also lead, go towards depression. Now, have you ever heard that when you're pregnant and you give birth, so there are postpartum blues? Have you ever heard that?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
because the woman loses so many minerals, calcium, the hormones are so imbalanced that it takes her at least 2 years, if she does not take care of herself, that at least the body takes 2 years to balance those hormones. And that is why there's a lot of, and other factors too, of course. But there is a lot of blues, that I would say. She's enjoying her motherhood. She loves the baby. Everything is great, but she'll start crying. Right. So there is a lot to matlab, the environmental factors and everything. There's a lot to involved, but she loses a lot of calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium, everything. So that's one of the factors that is there that affects अदर लोगों को भी. ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप वाइटामिन नहीं खाते हो और ये सब वाइटामिन मिनरल्स और ये डॉक्टर्स बताते हैं, चाहे आप एलोपैथी को फॉलो करें. इफ़ यू फॉलो एलोपैथी, ग्रेट. इफ़ यू फॉलो नेचुरोपैथी डॉक्टर, ग्रेट. इफ़ यू वांट another doctor like an ayurvedic or some other doctor, which is okay, which is all right, but a doctor should recommend you vitamins and everything that you do not have in your body. For example, a very common vitamin with women in India is B12 and vitamin D. Have you ever noticed that B12 and vitamin D, any doctor that you go to, वो तो आपको पहले ही बोल देंगे thyroid, B12 and vitamin D are things that they will just say इसका टेस्ट करा लो, right?
And more important in vegetarians, वो कहते हैं कि B12 तो कम होगा ही होगा.
That is correct. That is correct. But I'll also tell you about a study. Okay, when we come to food, I'll also tell you about a study that how certain combinations can be better than steak. Trust me.
Okay. Wow.
So, certain vegetarian combinations. Okay. Okay, reproduction. Reproduction is, 80% of the time, it's really to do with hormonal imbalance. And I'll talk about it. I'll talk about it more. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterones. These have to be balanced in both male and female. The male testosterones and female estrogen and progesterone. In Ayurveda, we also have seeds that help women balance this. Okay, so I'll let you know more about it. Okay, now blood sugar level. Of course, pancreas is the one that regulate the insulin. Pancreas से insulin regulate होता है. So if you do not take care of your pancreas, then blood sugar levels will be affected. And there are other reasons also. If you only have simple carbohydrates, मतलब जैसे pastry खा लिया, sugar ले लिया, ज़्यादा sugar लिया, या फिर अपने वेजिटेबल्स को भी अच्छे से अलाइन नहीं किया. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हाट दे डू इज दे, क्योंकि उन्हें वेट लूज करना होता है, बिकॉज दे वांट टू लूज वेट, दे रिमूव द कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स altogether. Have you noticed that? They remove,
Yes.
right? And they only have dal or sabzi, or they'll only have chicken. But they have to understand that the culture that we come from, it has a good portion, at least 25 of the percent of the portion, 25 to 30% of the portion as complex carbohydrates. That is rice, roti, even papad, right? So these kind of things, they're involved. Why are they involved? Because it complements. उसका complement रहता है, dal and chawal and everything. इन सब का complement रहता है. And I'll also tell you why is achar used. Remind me, please. Why is achar used? Achar is so good for your hormones. It's you'll forget Yakult.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm a fan of achar, aam ka
Yeah.
achar.
Yeah, oh, it's wonderful. It is beautiful. Trust me. So when you have hormonal imbalance, these things can happen. This is not limited to hormone. I mean, this is not, the symptoms are not limited to these. It can happen, but these symptoms can be because of something else also. So if you have these symptoms, you must visit a doctor that will clarify कि है या नहीं है. There will be certain tests done. Okay, like fatigue. Now, if a person is lazy, that's a different thing. And laziness and procrastination also, somehow is affected because of hormones. But if you have fatigue, you have sleep problems, and you have hair changes. I think on the post you had also written melatonin, right?
Yes.
Balance your melatonin. Now, that the melatonin is responsible for sleep cycles, sleep and wake up cycles, and it is produced by the pineal gland. So it is responsible. So if you manage that, if you balance your hormones, your sleep cycles will be better. Okay. And a lot other things, because you need to train your head and sleep at a proper time and whatnot, but this is melatonin is responsible for that. And then hair changes like thinning, color changes for some people from black to brown, and in a few years light brown, and they think that, oh, my color has changed, I don't know what has
And
happened.
fall
Hair,
also, hair fall.
yeah, hair fall, estrogen, right? So much of estrogen, if it like if you don't have that kind of good amount of estrogen, then hair fall. So you're right. Unexplained weight gain or weight loss, this happens a lot in thyroid, hypothyroid and hyperthyroid, right? Unexplained weight gain and weight loss, but we'll talk about it more, how to combat it. Anxiety, depression, irritability, or mood swings. Now, if you have like I said, mood swings can be due to other factors too. However, hormonal imbalance that tells different organs and different things. Acha, one more thing. There is a I will talk about it more. Chemicals that are released, hormones that are released. One stays in your gut, serotonin. Okay, one stays in your gut, and if you have constipation, this hormone does not do its job well. And people do say that, right? That your face is flushed when you have constipation or if your gut is not well. And believe you me, hormones like your gut is ground zero for balancing hormones, and I'll talk about it more. By the end of this video, no, sorry, not video. I've been recording a lot of videos, so that's why I said video. By the end of this talk, I will also share a mudra to
Okay.
balance all hormones. Okay, so
Wow.
yes, so there are different mudras for different issues. For example, for fertility, we have a different mudra and everything. But one mudra that'll help everyone to balance all the hormones, but if done regularly. Okay, conditions applied. Okay, now of course, irregular period, fertility issues, and lower libido. This is a very common thing, and because I'm an expert of this, so I know that how people deal with these issues and what they have to do. उनको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, and it's very frustrating, very frustrating. Okay, hot flashes and night sweats, ये भी hormonal changes की वजह से आता है. Like they said कि menopause की तरफ अगर जाओ तो फिर ये सब बहुत होता है, right? Because hormones. So change in appetite and digestive issues. Digestive issues तो हम लोगों को like अभी in the next one I will tell you digestive issues को काफी हद तक हम कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. How we can fix it. ठीक है? Hypothyroidism, we already have discussed. And high blood sugar and low blood sugar is something that you can curtail but not eliminate. For that, you would have to go to a doctor, but balancing your hormones will help. पहले तो आपको होगा नहीं अगर आप बैलेंस करके रखते हैं, पर अगर आप बैलेंस नहीं करते और आपको डायबिटीज हो गया है तो आपको डॉक्टर से तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा. बट एडिशनली आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जो एडिशनल एड होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है, लाइक योगा से, नेचुरोपैथी से, आयुर्वेद से, ये सब. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज योर बॉडी, यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. कोई नहीं दूसरा आएगा उसको केयर करने के लिए. एंड आई एम समवन हु इज अ फैन ऑफ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट कि अपनी अपनी बॉडी की अपने आप से बहुत अच्छे से केयर की जा सकती है. Literally, no matter what your age is. So all of this, can it be healed? Yes. But like I said, conditions applied that you would really have to be regular. Okay? And not
Gurpreet,
doing
I'm requesting you to record this meeting because I have made you host, so you
it.
have to allow
Not
for
record?
recording. Yeah, you have to
Oh, I
allow
did
this
allow.
recording. Okay, okay.
Okay, now it started recording.
Yeah, it
Okay,
has
great.
stopped when I
Okay,
no,
great,
just
great.
I will give you.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Let's continue. Okay, so can
Have
it
you got the? Yeah, now it's. Yeah, please.
so can it be healed? Of course, yes. But like I said, that there are conditions that have to be applied. That is, you need to be regular. और कोई भी चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करनी है और कोई भी चीज़ बहुत कम नहीं करनी है. And I'll tell you how to find the balance in it. Finding the balance. So let's come to this one. Good, we started recording at a very nice spot.
Important. Yeah.
Yeah. So nutrition. Now, when we say nutrition, like you said, कि सबसे पहला जो चीज़ दिमाग में आता है, the first thing that strikes your mind is diet. What do I need to eat? That's my nutrition. But according to Ayurveda, it's everything around you. And why I included what you watch, because there are a lot of people now It has increased because of, I think, OTT platforms and our cell phones, and everyone's guilty. I'm not saying I'm not guilty, I am guilty too. But everyone's on their phone or on their laptops or on their TV, and they're just watching things, mindlessly watching things. I've seen a child who has to do his homework while the TV is on.
And food also. They are eating
What?
food when the screen is in
Yeah,
front of
yeah,
them.
of course. You're so right. You're so right. So, my baby, we've been so strict with this person, but still, Baby Shark to do is our national anthem of our house. So, but what you're watching is also, it also matters. And I'll tell you how it matters. Your surroundings also matter. That means everything comes under nutrition. Okay, and I'll tell you more about it. But first, let's clarify the first thing that we think it is. It is the food that we eat. Now, a lot of people will have their choices of things, that they can have fish or meat or chicken or no red meat or red meat, and anything else, or just vegetarian and just vegan, or just fruitarian. Fruitarian are people who do not kill plants. They do not harvest plants. If the fruit falls from the tree, that is something that they can eat. So they don't kill the fruit. If it dies, that's when they eat. But that is their value. So I accept everyone's values. They can have meat, they can have non-vegetarian, vegetarian, only fish, only eggs. They can have only vegetarian, and that's okay. This is your body. You need to take care of your body according to you, what you think is good for it, right? Until unless a doctor says that this is not good for you, this is harmful for you. Okay, now first thing, I would like to tell you that why how Ayurveda defines it. Ayurveda says that there are three doshas in our body. Okay, three doshas in our body. Doshas are Vat, Pitta, Kapha. Vat, air; Pitta, bile; Kapha, cough. So it says that everyone's body has these three doshas. Now, these three doshas are dominant, and हर एक की प्रकृति, हर एक का जो body है, it has one or the other dosha imbalanced. And that's true. People can have two as well. My imbalance is kapha and bile. Okay. Now there are different ways to find it. If you want, there's some test online. I can share that
Yeah.
test with you.
Yeah, sure.
Now,
Please.
so if the doshas are imbalanced, then you need to balance them. Now, of course, diet is a different thing altogether, and I'm not here to give you a chart, but what I can do is simplify things. Whatever that you eat right now, how to fix it, how to fix the doshas, right? So bile, just with what the liver secretes, and it goes into your stomach. And if you do not have good habits, good habits in the sense to keep your stomach and liver healthy, then it'll be a little trouble. And I saw that you were doing something on liver this week, is it?
Yes, Saturday. On
Yeah,
Saturday. Yeah,
great,
fatty liver.
great. It's a necessary one. Everyone needs to know how to take care of their liver and gut. You take care of your stomach, your gut, your liver, you're sorted. 50% of the time, you're sorted. Okay, now consume fresh food is something that has been told by our parents, our grandparents, and everyone, right? I remember my grandmother would never have food taken out of the fridge. अगर फ्रिज से निकाल के खा लिया, तो she would never have it. She needs to have fresh. She can keep the dough, आटा गूंद के रख देती थी वो फ्रिज में. That's all right, but the rotis are will have to be उसी time पे, and they had the luxury of time, to be honest, right? उस time पे time होता था उनके पास and everything, but they would cook fresh and eat fresh. So I'll tell you one more thing. I'm a certified pranic healer, but I do not practice it. I only practice it for myself and my family. And I'll tell you from a very energy perspective too, that why people should have fresh food. A fresh food being a controversy mein hai aajkal, because everyone's doing research, everyone's being an expert. So ये भी थोड़ा controversy में है. तो वो लोग बोलते हैं कि जब आप fresh food कटता है और जब तक वो वेयर हाउस में पहुंचता है, फिर वो स्टोर पे पहुंचता है, तब तक उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स उड़ जाते हैं. राइट, दैट इज व्हाट दे से. दे आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग ऑन इट. मतलब अभी रिसर्च चल रही है कि दे आर टेकिंग आउट विटामिन सी फ्रॉम वन ऑरेंज एंड प्रिजर्व से वन विटामिन सी ले रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं कि किसमें ज़्यादा विटामिन सी है. Now, I don't know about anything about that because there can be a lot behind the cameras because of the people manufacturing these preserved food. But what I can say is, जहाँ से हम लोगों की दादी मतलब उनके भी ऊपर जो जनरेशन चली आ रही है, वो यही बोलते हैं कि कंज्यूम फ्रेश food because the nutrients are alive in that food. Even as an energy healer, if I check the energy or if I feel the energy of that food, the energy of that is higher. Energy matlab pran. The pran value of that food is higher than any preserved food. Preservatives में क्या होता है, कुछ एक एंजाइम भी होता है जिसमें वो आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम, बट वो एंजाइम में जेली लाइक फॉर्म बना देते हैं. राइट, सो वो जो जितना भी जैसे कुछ करी, रेडी टू ईट करी है लेट्स से, सो अगर वो बाइंड करना होता है वन मॉलिक्यूल टू अनदर, वो जेली लाइक सब्सटेंस बाइंड करता है एंड देन दैट गोज इनटू योर स्टमक. And that is where your gut will also feel, know or have problems. People who eat a lot of packed, nothing against it, sometimes it's good, but if you just regularly have packed noodles, what do you think will have to you, what do you think will happen to your gut? Your gut will also stick. अभी क्या होता है
Sticky,
हमारे
yeah.
या सो जो गट है, गट में वलाइज होती हैं ऐसे करके, जो हमारे इंटेस्टाइन्स के अंदर, ओके, हमारे इंटेस्टाइन्स के अंदर ऐसे करके एक ऐसे करके झाड़ू की तरह, ओके, एक वलाई करके लगी होती है. अब वलाई स्टिक हो जाती है. वलाई अगर स्टिक हो जाती है और वो खुलती नहीं है, तो वो आगे स्टूल पास नहीं कर पाते. Right, it cannot pass the stool, so villi has to be a little loose. So what happens is when okay, so a lot of drinks cause the next morning you'll have loose stool, because a lot of drinks have, they make the villi a little loose. I'm not going to take the name of the drinks. That's not according to Ayurveda. But if you have experience of these drinks, then it makes the villi loosen. And then, the stool passes. But if you have sticky jelly substance, तो वो जो villi होती है, वो stick हो जाती है. So आपका स्टूल पास नहीं होता है, एंड दैट इज वेयर द कॉन्स्टिपेशन स्टार्ट्स. अब कॉन्स्टिपेशन वाले लोगों को तो वैसे ही हार्मोन्स का इम्बैलेंस रहता ही रहता है. कॉन्स्टिपेशन इज द फादर ऑफ ऑल डिजीजेस. I'm telling you, that is the first place where your diseases start. If the stool, imagine, so whatever the waste material is inside your, intestines, it is just being extracted by the blood, right? So all the toxins and the waste material and everything is just going inside the blood. Where is the space for hormones? Right. So constipation is something that you need to get rid of. And for that, there are a lot of yoga asanas. There are walking, you can go to the gym, you can go do calisthenics, you can do any form of exercise that keeps your gut healthy. Drink a lot of water. And I'll tell you the technique of drinking water too. Half of people are not even drinking water correctly. And that is why they have constipation. And I'll tell you why. Okay. So avoid ready to eat food. We've already discussed it. That packed food, it has less pran value. It does not give you that kind of nutritional value in life. That's one. Another thing is that the packed food has different preservatives that do not that are not created to literally give your body benefit. So even if you try and get benefit from it, then there's no value in it. So eat whatever that has value. You can read उसके पीछे पैकेट में आप रीड कर सकते हो, इतने कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, इतने प्रोटीन है, इतना ये है, इतना वो है, इतना ही शुगर है और इतना ही फैट है. But that's not true. That's really not true. The the nutritional value is much less than at least the fresh food is what I can say, because this is what has been taught to us शुरू से, राइट. सो जैसे आप फ्रेश फूड खाते हैं, आपका टेस्ट भी अलग होता है. इफ यू सी कि आप फ्रिज से निकालो, उसका टेस्ट थोड़ा अलग हो जाता है, एंड फ्रेश बना के खाओ तो वो भी अलग हो जाता है. नाउ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, वर्किंग पीपल, विल हैव अ चैलेंज विद दिस कि दे डोंट हैव टाइम. एंड दैट इज टाइम. जिसके पास है वो आज के टाइम में बहुत अमीर है. सो टाइम सो टाइम अगर है भी तो एक्सरसाइज करें या खाना बनाएं या ये करें या वो करें. नाउ देयर आर स्ट्रेटजीज टू इट, and you can devise your strategies. For example, what I used to do was, मुझे पता है मेरे मसालों में I know that प्याज and tomato will be there, onion and tomato. So I used to cut onion and tomato, keep that in boxes inside the fridge, so that whenever that I have to cut vegetables, or whenever that I have to prepare vegetables, I can just quickly take it out and just use it, or prepare a masala or something, something like that, that makes your life easier and just not make you dependent on someone else's profits, right? And now seasonal eating. Now understand the seasonal eating, nature is big. नेचर बहुत बड़ा है. नेचर को एग्जैक्टली पता है कि इस समय पे, लेट्स से समर में, आपके स्टमक को क्या चाहिए. उसको ज्यादा पानी चाहिए. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? यू गेट वाटरमेलन, right? Watermelon and vegetables like bottle gourd. So nature is beautiful. Whatever it gives you in winter, have that. Whatever it gives you, and wherever that you are. So let's say you're in the US and they have different kind of seasonal fruits or whatever. Have that. Experiment. Your body will adapt, but your body needs it. Literally. So wherever that you are, whatever weather that you're in, it will have its seasonal fruits, it will have its seasonal vegetables. Have that, because it's designed for your body. Okay? And it's a very quick method. अब ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है. फ्रेश बना के खा सकते हैं, प्राण वैल्यू ज्यादा है, राइट? अवॉइड कर सकते हैं हम पैक्ड फूड, राइट? और अपना जितने भी हमारी वेजिटेबल्स हैं, हम उसको प्लान करके चल सकते हैं. Let's say you get 2 hours on Sunday, just plan it. Then seasonal eating, ये भी बहुत आसान है. आप कहीं पर भी हो, आप यूके में हो, so वहाँ पे जो सीजन में मिल रहा है आप वही खाओ. No problem. Perfect. You have the local delicacies, have whatever that they have to offer, और vegetarian options भी मिल जाते हैं. बिल्कुल नॉन वेज कंट्री में भी जाएंगे, वहाँ पे मैकडोनल्ड्स में भी आपको एक बर्गर के अंदर लेटस लगा के मेयो लगा के दे देते हैं. If you want a vegetarian option or a hash brown or something. What I'm trying to say is, whatever, if you try and find options, मिल जाएंगे. Right? And then eat mindful eating. Now, mindful eating, like you said, very good option, that thing that you pointed out. What was that? That kids eat while watching TV. That's mindless eating. You're watching and you're eating, right? That's mindless eating. What happens is, आप चबाते ही नहीं हो. You don't chew. You don't chew. That means the saliva in your mouth is not released properly. And you don't chew whatever, जितना भी आपका खाने का जो आपने खाया है, वो सीधा पेट के अंदर चला जाता है, और पेट को ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है to digest it. तो पेट को ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है to digest it. तो एक तो सलाइवा नहीं है, एंड पेट में भी गया है, और बिना किसी इंस्ट्रक्शंस के गया है. And I'll tell you the last point. मतलब this entire slide is life changing. I'm telling you, I'm just going to quickly run through it. But this is literally life changing, because the next one is managing digestive fire, Jatagani. Now this is a concept, जब मैंने 2013 में इसके पेपर दिए, इसको पढ़ा, इसको पेपर दिया, I was like, what are they talking about? But literally, Ayurveda says that there is a Jatagani, literally a fire right below your belly. So you know about it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm also
Yeah.
reading about all this.
So Jatagani is right here in your tummy. So when there's winter, so it affects your Jatagani. The fire is a little less. So you need to, ignite it by having hot soup, hot this, hot that. But in summer also, it's a little higher. But what happens is that people who do not have a good metabolism, which is generated by thyroid, your thyroid gland, okay, अगर उसमें aligned नहीं है, अगर तो जठाग्नि बुझी हुई है. So अगर आप बिना चबाया हुआ, माइंडलेसली जो आपने खाया, बिना चबाया हुआ, अच्छे से बिना चबाया हुआ खाते हैं, तो जठाग्नि को भी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. बट ऑलरेडी इफ़ योर हार्मोन्स आर इम्बैलेंस्ड, तो वो भी डाइजेशन अच्छे से नहीं होता है. Now, one more thing. Have you ever heard that people say that do not have water after you eat food
Yes.
for 30 minutes? Now, that is because ये आयुर्वेदिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. वो बोलते हैं कि आपका अंदर खाना गया, फायर काम कर रहा है, पर अब ऊपर से आप पानी डाल दोगे कि क्या हो जाएगा, फायर बुझ जाएगी और अंदर कीचड़ हो जाएगा. एंड दैट इज हाउ आई लर्नड इट. एंड इट्स अ
Yeah, it is very
ब्यूटीफुल.
simple to make
या
it understand.
या सो आग बुझ गया ना, पानी डाला, अब आग बुझ गया, कीचड़ हो गया, अब क्या होगा, अब डाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा है. So what you need to do is you need to regulate your water too. You need to have it after 30 minutes. But if you really want to have something like just a sip, it's all right. A sip is all right. But if you really want to have water, then have hot water. Hot water within the first 30 minutes of, after having food. But after 30 minutes you can have water. That's all right. So that's something that I was saying, that a lot of people not even having water correctly. That is why there is constipation. And to relieve constipation, then they'll have water. So, so you need to manage it. And that's all right if you did not know it, because that's all right. Nobody taught us. अगर हमने ये सीखने की भी कोशिश की होती उस टाइम पे, तो लोग हमारा मजाक ही उड़ा देते. So it's all right. Right now is the time, and any time that you take a step to fix it, to help yourself, is a good time.
Very true.
Okay. Now, moderate eating. Now, what we do is we fill our tummy. We're really hungry, and we fill our tummy, and there is no space for the stomach to churn it. So, what you need to do is you need to fill your stomach half. Half. Why do I say that? If you can do it. Otherwise, let's say if you have to have two rotis, this is what my second yoga teacher used to tell me, that if you have to have two rotis, have one roti, good amount of vegetable. Okay, do have carbohydrates. It's not like you're going to cut it down. So whenever that you feel that I'm good, okay, I have space for double the amount of what I ate right now, stop, take some rest. After like 5 minutes or so, judge if you can eat or not. If this is not working, because it really takes practice. एक बहुत ही आसान तरीका, there was this person, Rujita Divekar, right? You know this person, right? When she said this, I loved it. She said, आप पहला रोटी खाते हो बहुत टेस्टी लगता है, आप आधा रोटी और खाते हो बहुत टेस्टी लगता है, बट आधा और ना बिल्कुल टेस्ट खत्म हो जाता है, राइट? इट्स नॉट दैट टेस्टी. वहां पे योर टमी इज फुल, दैट्स योर मार्क. So when the food is not tasty, and I love this, I literally applied it and it's beautiful. So that's how you can judge कि मुझे कितना खाना है. Herbs and spices तो हम लोग आई थिंक इट्स इन कल्चर एंड जो हम जैसे हल्दी को इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, जिस तरह से हमारे स्पाइसेस जो ब्लेंड करते हैं खाने में, एवरीथिंग हैज़ अ टेक्निक, एवरीथिंग इज केमिकली स्टडीड एंड देन यू नो अप्लाइड. सो वी यूज टू से दैट टर्मरिक मिल्क पियो, तुम्हें अच्छी स्किन चाहिए, टर्मरिक मिल्क पियो, ये करो वो करो, एंड पीपल वुड से दैट नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव टर्मरिक मिल्क. Now people, Starbucks abroad is selling that as what? Turmeric latte. And and they're calling it golden milk. Golden milk is what they say it now, and people are crazy for it. Now these are the herbs, you know, go back in time, and these are the herbs that will help you with your hormone too, because it will regulate your stomach. These spices, and this is where I would like to say the achar. Achar is a probiotic. It does the same kind of job like a Yakult might do, which is not so powerful because that has preservatives, of course. But then achar is complementary to the food because हम लोग खाते हैं तो वो प्रोबायोटिक होता है, वो हमारी intestines को clear करने में help करता है. That's why we eat achar. Full of oil, full of spices that blend together with your food to make it amazingly tasty and helpful for your body. So that's why we eat achar. Now, drink water with caution. Of course, do not, play with your jatagani. Jatagani is something that you should be careful of, and sit and drink water so that it can be in your tummy for a while and then do its functions, go to the liver and go to small intestines and thereafter. Like I said, monitor the taste. Avoid mixing too many things. Okay, like I had rice to curd to four types of sabzi to everything. Avoid that. Have everything in moderate quantity, but just have like not more than two vegetables. That's what I would say, because the nutritional, the stomach needs to churn it, and nutritional value will be taken out of it. Now, you need to study how you feel after you eat something, but really needs time. So do it on a Sunday or something. But there is one thing that I'll leave you with on this slide. If you can't take away anything else, take this. This is so important. Whatever you eat a burger, whatever you eat, do not tell your mind, oh, hey, this is making me fat, this is making me fat, this is making me fat, I need to go to the gym now, I need to go to the gym, I need to do this is making me fat. Do not think like that. Or this is not good for me, I will have knee pain, I will have knee pain. You will have knee pain. Okay? Whatever you eat, enjoy it. Understand the taste buds, understand whatever it makes you feel, love it, eat it, and then perhaps don't even tell your mind what it's going to do. Let the mind do whatever that it's going to do. You should enjoy it and train your mind from today with every bite. I love this. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. This is so tasty. If it is tasty, if it's not tasty, this is giving me nutritional value. Okay, these are the things that you need to tell yourself. So I'm just going to quickly run through the rest of the slides so that I can quickly tell you the Usha Mudra, which is beneficial for all. For
Yes.
it works with every gland. Okay, so what you watch also affects your hormones. What you watch. And that doesn't mean that I don't watch Game of Thrones. I do, or I did watch. But if you watch a lot of shows with anxiety, uh, with that do not have any value of creating love or fun inside your body or mind, they might just produce cortisol and adrenaline. And cortisol, do you know cortisol is also responsible for your belly fat? Yeah, cortisol, when released, I was reading this research by a UK professor somewhere in the UK. She's a PhD, she's a very nice manifestation guru now. But she said that जब आपका cortisol kidneys के ऊपर, okay, वहाँ पे से flight or fight, राइट? अब आजकल की दुनिया में हमारे पास कोई शिकार करने तो हमारा आ नहीं रहा है, राइट? सो वर्क में जितना भी स्ट्रेस होता है या आसपास कितना भी स्ट्रेस होता है या जो भी होता है, उसकी वजह से वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस तो ये कोर्टिसोल रिलीज हो जाता है। अब कोर्टिसोल सबसे पहले जो थ्रेट हमारा जो माइंड में, ओके, जो पुराने ज़माने से चला रहा है, सिविलाइजेशन जब स्टार्ट हुई थी तब से तो माइंड में है कि सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या बचानी है मुझे? खाना, the survival thing. First thing is survival, right? So it stores the, जैसे ही stress आता है, it stores the fat on your belly. Then the fat is stored there, and then you think like, why is my belly taking it all? Why is my belly, it's gaining all the weight? It's because of the hormones, cortisol. Right? So you need to take stress less. And for that, you need to have meditation, yoga, or any other exercise that you're into. Even go for a walk, walking meditation, look at the trees, feel happy, talk to a bird. If people call you crazy, it's all right. So with dopamine is also released there, but then it's the nice hormone. It comes out of pain, but good pain, like exercise and walking and everything. And this is good for your body. Oxytocin is good. It's the loved one. Melatonin, of course, you need that for sleep. Serotonin, endorphins, all of these are just, only are released by your glands. So you need to align these glands very well. Watch what you watch. So have nicey things, funny things, loving things. Even if you're watching something, just know that ye drama hai. Don't let it go to your mind and produce those kind of anxiety, or don't dive deeper into it. For example, some of the people who watch serials, and they watch serials and they start crying because of someone said something to someone. They go so deep into it, and then they think that it's going to be my life, and their mind is programmed like that, and their glands start to release hormones like that, and everything is just imbalanced, right? And everything else also affects. For example, exposure to natural light. If you're not exposed to natural light, that too. Environmental factors like surrounding you, people, exposure to toxins like air quality, noise pollution. How much of anxiety is it creating inside you? Social interactions are beautiful, good or bad. It really depends that what kind of social interaction आपका होता है. किसी ने अगर कुछ बुरा बोल दिया, of course it's going to hurt you. So it is going to produce those kind of hormones. But that doesn't mean कि आप लोगों से बातें करना बंद कर दो. That doesn't mean कि आप काम पे जाना छोड़ दो. That only means कि आपको इनको regulate कैसे करना है. You need to be a master of that. Because सबको काम पे जाना ही जाना है, right? सबको लोगों से बातें करनी है. So for it, how things can help is yoga, asanas, meditation, pranayam, mudras, specific poses होते हैं जो endocrine glands, जो endocrine system को help करते हैं yoga में. For example, setu bandhasan, bridge pose, right? It helps a lot. This is one of the best asanas that I tell anyone dealing with fertility issues too. Sarvangasana, and all of these asanas are, if they're backed by science. And I remember my situation was really bad when I started doing my postgraduate in yogic science. I was working in Singapore. I had to come back, and because my health was not good, I started with Ayurvedic treatments, and it helped me so well that all of this is just I cannot tell you. I gained height, okay, height, 1 inch height at the age of 27. At the age of 27, because of yogas and mudras and working on my spine and everything, which was just a shock for me, but it has beautiful results. It enhances blood flow. What is blood flow? Hormones will reach the organs and tissues nicely, and you need to be mindful, just mindful of whatever that you're doing. There's so many things, and I hope that I get to do this more. The next session, I won't lecture so much. I'm going to seriously bang on, start with the things that can help people, but I'm so happy and grateful for people listening to this ancient method of people helping themselves. Now, one thing that I want to leave you with is Usha Mudra. Now, this is what you need to do.
Just a minute. I will make you see. Just a minute.
Sure.
I will stop the screen sharing. We want to see you now.
Oh, sure.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I
Great.
request all of you to please switch on your cameras so that हम सब ईश उषा मुद्रा बहुत अच्छे से कर पाएंगे.
And it's a very simple technique. मतलब ये बहुत ही simple technique है. Anyone can do it sitting right now. Okay, sitting right now, but do it in the morning. That is preferred. All you need to do is just do this. आप अपनी fingers को entangle कर लीजिए. Now
Okay.
you're a woman, so what you need to do is keep your right thumb between your finger and then press it with your left thumb. This is what you need to do.
Like this.
Okay? Yes. A man would do the reverse, the left niche and right upar. Yes.
Okay. Like this we have to do.
Yeah. And all you need to do is this, create a gap between like this, okay, like your hands, and sit. If you can do this in sunrise, you can do that. If not, and even right now, I mean, I am very active with this. If you think, if you, मतलब अगर आपको महसूस हो that your breathing becomes instantly better. मतलब
Wow.
I can feel it. Okay, your ingla pingla nadis, I mean, they just open up. So here, this is all you need to do to enhance your hormonal health through mudra. This is the best one that I can do right now for all the glands. But there are other mudras that I give in fertility, in different issues, in thyroid and whatnot. But this is something that I hope it helps everyone.
So this will help in hormone balancing.
Yes. Hormone
Okay.
balancing with glands, with even sleep. Now, of course, sleep. Why? Because अगर आपका ये glands ठीक कर रहा है, hormones ठीक कर रहा है, तो serotonin भी अच्छे से निकलेगा ना, melatonin भी अच्छे से निकलेगा, right? So melatonin अच्छे से निकलेगा, but don't think कि ये थोड़ा magic wand था, कि हमने एक बार ही किया, 5 मिनट कर लिया, हो नहीं रहा. So do it for at least 1 month. Every day, start with 1 minute and then go to 5 minutes. And then, at least 1 month, give it 1 month and then see what the results are. And I'm telling you, I have techniques, in my YouTube channel also, I have a technique in meditation. Alpha meditation. Now, I'm not promoting कि आप exercise ना करें, आप exercise ज़रूर करें, but there is this. These techniques are so powerful कि अगर आप अच्छे से करते हैं तो आपको visibly result दिखते हैं. क्योंकि there's this meditation. I posted that meditation on YouTube, and there's this person who said कि बहुत अच्छे results हैं इसके. It is a weight loss meditation. Now, when I posted that, everyone was like, what kind of a revolutionary product is this? But I believed in it. I studied it. I believed in it. I posted it. And this person said good results. And someone said, how many kgs? This person said 5 kilos in 1 month. And I
Wow.
was, yeah, and I was like, wow, this person did it diligently, right? 5 kilos in one. Then this another person asked that, इसी से सिर्फ इस meditation से हुआ? And this person said, yes, सिर्फ इसी meditation से हुआ और कुछ नहीं किया. Now I'm not saying that you should not exercise. You should. But all I'm saying is कि ये जो techniques है, जो ancient methods चले आ रहे हैं, जब perhaps allopathy exist नहीं करती थी, तब से जो लोग अपने केयर करते आ रहे हैं, वो अगर हम अभी भी अपनाएं तो अभी भी हम अपनी अच्छे से केयर कर सकते हैं. But
Yes, that's true. That's true.
right, but I'm so happy that everyone listened. I'm sure that the next sessions are going to be like more like with
More
power.
interactive. Yeah, more interactive and more powerful, and I want everyone to switch on their cameras. Actually, क्या होता है ना, morning time है तो everybody must be in offices or traveling somewhere. So that's why they are switching off their cameras. And
Yeah.
one more thing, so क्या सीखा हमने आज के सेशन से, just मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि हार्मोन्स को बैलेंस करना हमारे खुद के हाथ में है। और कैसे बैलेंस कर सकते हैं? न्यूट्रिशन फूड खा के। और न्यूट्रिशन फूड का मतलब है सारी चीज़ों से जो आपके अराउंड है। प्लस आपको ताज़ा खाना खाना है जहाँ तक हो सके। और जैसा कि बोला कि छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें से, जैसे हम पेस्ट बना के प्याज़, टमाटर का पेस्ट बना के फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं। तो छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों को ऐसे अपना के हम हम फ्रेश फूड खा सकते हैं। हमारे लिए बहुत हरी-बरी भी नहीं हो जाएगा। सेकंडली